it means that he basically doesn't know anything yet, is what I'm gathering. Based on what he said by, going and picking up all the information that the DA's been gathering. So the latest indictment, I don't, when you're going to have to go to court for that.
So he's going to get all the information that they've, I guess, put together
on
Wednesday?
Right. Yep. Next Wednesday, yep. Well, today's Thursday, so yeah, next Wednesday. So I guess that's why, I guess he, I was just assuming that he knew that information already, was gathering it while they were gathering it. But I guess maybe they don't share that information, until they're done with it. I don't really know how this process works.
Okay.
But, it's just something to look forward to, though. I would imagine that he still probably is not going to come on Wednesday, I don't guess. I will, at the beginning of next week, remind me to, I'll just send him another email asking him when he thinks, how long it'll take him once he gets the information before he'll see you to try to get an idea of when he's coming. And if he's coming to you, or if you go with, I guess y'all have to go downstairs.
That I don't know.
So the last time that they carried you, that you didn't get to see a lawyer, but you thought you were going to get to see a lawyer, where did you go?
Well, the last time I went down, I know I was on the 3rd floor. I only went down 1 floor. That's where all the, I guess, investigators and judges and all of them's offices and stuff are.
So there must be rooms down there?
Yeah, they have, different rooms and stuff like that. I tell you what, if fucking Wade is carrying on some shit, I'm going to have you get in contact with fucking the health services, and I'm fixing to ram him in the fucking ass. Because I'm fixing to be a witness, and I'm fixing to have his fucking hog license pulled, and he can do some fucking jail time and some paying up some money for illegal hog buying and selling. That'll be what's fucking next, because I'm fixing to fuck him sideways.
Well, all you got to do is have it delivered to me, and I'll hold on to it.
That'll be fine. I'm fixing it. It's less. I'm going to write it up tonight, and I'll have it shipped to you in the mail tomorrow, and you can contact him and set something up for him to come up here and talk to me, and tell him I will roll on every person that Wade has sold to, and I will be eyewitness that he is selling sows, piglets, and boars. So I'll get that together for you.
Well, just, get it together. Send it to me, and I'll hold on to it until you decide what you want to do. You know?
No, I know what I want to do. I'm fixing to fuck him.
Well, I mean...
Because you know what? No, I'm not fixing to fucking go down for something that he wrote fucking hot checks for. If he fucking wrote those hot checks, then I'm fixing to fucking fight it tooth and nail. But I know he's going to get fucked the other way because Les my can't stand him. So.
Well, he should have all the, I mean, you know, I don't, that's all that was said. So I still don't know, you know, no one's contacted me. You know, I don't know what the second part of it has anything to do with. You know, so I don't, you know, he should be able to. I don't know how long.
Do you have plans tomorrow?
I mean, I got to work tomorrow.
Oh, did you get your test done today?
No, I still haven't got my test done today. We had our internet service today, and that guy left at a little after 2:30, and so I think I'm going to be up there at 8 o'clock in the morning there and see if they can do the test. So I just got to be back home by 9 o'clock to get the schedule done.
Yeah. That might be squeezing it in pretty.
Yeah.
You may want to wait till after your schedule.
I mean, they'll just have to do it, and I'll just have to say, I'll be right back. You know. But see, they close at noon. I don't know how it works. I got a couple of options. M's coming home. I'm going to get M on Sunday evening. We were right. Donnie's got some appointment. She had an appointment in Tyler today. That's why Emerson was up there. And I think Emerson had, I think she had just gotten there when I saw her that she was there. So, anyway, Trey was in the kitchen, you know, on the computer, on the school computer, and Emerson and Brother were in the living room. You know, he's the same age as Sullivan, and he talks so much better than Sullivan. You know, and he come ask Emerson, he said, who are you talking to? I mean, just as plain as day.
Yeah.
And, no, first he said, hi, Nana. And Emerson said, that's not your Nana. And then he said, well, who are you talking to? And she said, my Nani. And he said, hi, Nani. Oh, it was so sweet because he has such a sweet little voice.
Oh.
So, anyway, and you know, yeah, he just stuff like, what are you doing? And I'm working.
What are you doing?
Yeah. He was getting ready to watch Toy Story. Is what he was saying. So.
Oh.
So anyway, you know, I asked her. I said, yeah. I mean, she said, you know, and Trey run in there and said, he asked Emerson. He said, is PL a blend? And she said, yeah, pull. And I was like, what did he say? And anyway, it was a school, you know.
School question.
Run off and ask his big sister a question. So,
oh, well, I'm sure she's having a good time, so that's what matters.
Yeah, she seems to be. You know, and I just said, I told her I didn't have to work Monday and asked her when she would, you know, when she'd be ready to come home. And she said she's going back to Donnie's tomorrow. And so I told her that, because see, I don't think I'm going to let her go next weekend, even though it's their weekend. She's been there for 2 weeks. Yeah. I'm just going to probably keep her home a I'm going to try to spend as much time with her as I can before I have to, go to work. Anyway, and that's a little ways away, but still, I don't know, we'll see. I'm not tired of all the running.
I'm sure.
So, I need to ask you, I can't order your stuff until tomorrow, but one of the things that do you still have backup batteries, or do you need batteries this week?
No, remember, you just bought me, I got backup batteries. I just put new batteries in it today, and then I got backup batteries, so I'm good. I'll let you know as soon as I put the backup batteries in.
Okay, so that'll probably buy me 1 week.
Yeah, but I need some more atomic fireballs.
Oh, you need fireball. I'm glad you said, what'd you say?
I need some more atomic fireballs.
Atomic fireballs, okay. I thought you said chocolate and fireballs. Atomic fireballs. Okay, so right now I've got a jar of peanut butter, snack crackers, Doritos and original Fritos, mustard pretzels, jalapeno crunchy curls, cream cheese, ranch dressing, ketchup and mustard.
I don't need any more jalapenos right now. I'm stocked up.
Oh, okay. No sliced jalapenos?
No,
I know, but it's such a tiny amount.
It's not really, though. That package is packed full.
Oh, well, I guess that's okay.
Yeah, so I'm good on jalapenos. Give me some more vanilla.
Huh?
Give me some more of the cappuccinos, yeah.
Oh, yeah. You need any tea?
Yeah, you can throw in, some teas.
All right, what about coffee?
I need a pack of coffee.
All right, and then just whatever else will fill the bill?
Yeah.
All right, how many cream cheese packets do you need?
Just some, and then strawberry jelly. No grape.
I didn't hear you a number. Did you say a number?
No, just some. Just
like 4?
4 or 5 will do. 5, do 5.
Okay. And then 2 packages of ranch?
Yeah, 2 packages of ranch will do.
On the road, no jalapenos. I got strawberry jelly. Those strawberry jellies are cheap, so I'll do whatever will fit on your, whatever I can get fit in there. Gatorade and Sprite. I almost sent you 1 Coke the other day.
No, don't send me any Coke.
Okay. Y'all have access to that?
Huh?
Do they ever give y'all that?
No. They give us Kool-Aid or like juice and tea. In which I don't even know if this is true, but Dr. Forms, when I was at the hospital, he told me to try not to drink what they give us because it has a hormone sedative in it. He was like, a lot of people don't know that, but it's in there. It's in the juice stuff, And I was like, okay. He's like, I'm dead serious. Like, he was being serious. I looked at him like, what? So I don't drink the juice when they serve it because it tastes like watered perfume, but if they got the tea, I'll get the tea sometimes. But normally I've just been doing water if I don't have drinks from you.
So do you ever see those? I'm wondering if they make little packets of water enhancers because they have like something that they got a fruit punch one, and it's like an 8-count.
Yeah, it's like the packets like you can buy at the store to put in your water bottle.
Do you want any of those?
Yeah, we can try them. Do the fruit punch, or what are the flavors? Fruit punch and what?
Let's start with fruit punch, and then I'll look. I just now, when I saw a 8-count, it's when I can't get to your menu right now. Plus it's been 15 minutes, so we're supposed to get cut off.
Okay, fruit punch or lemonade or something. If they got it.
I was afraid
or lemonade.
I don't know. And they have an orange.
No, I don't like orange. I don't like anything flavored orange.
All right. Okay, so I'm gonna place an order tomorrow at anything else?
Nope.
All right, you still got all your clothes and everything? Because I just saw a notification for a wintry mix.
Yes, I still got all my clothes.
Sunday, early Monday morning.
Great. I wish they'd let us have toboggans.
Well, I can get you a pair of shorts you can put on your head.
I thought about putting a sock on my head.
I can get you a towel and you can wrap on your head. I mean, shit, I had to do that with Zachary when I was camping with him one time.
No, don't waste money on that.
I mean, it's only like $6.
No, it's okay. No, that should be everything. Oh, sugars. Put the sweet and low sugars on there.
Those pink packets?
Yep.
I think they have 2 separate kinds.
I don't know. Every time you order them, it's just the same ones, the sweet and low packets. They don't care. They won't give us real sugar because of the, people that like to make jail booze and stuff.
So how do they sweeten that tea? It comes from Commissary that I send you, the tea packet.
This call will be terminated in 2 minutes.
It's already sweetened.
Oh.
Yeah, it's already sweetened. It's all mixed. So you can't, separate it.
Oh, okay. Do you like that? No,
I like it because it's peach flavored.
Oh, well, good. Okay, good.
So when I put it in hot water, it's like warm tea. Oh, it's so good. It's so good.
Yeah. So I was just thinking it was a tea bag.
No, it's just a powder. I pour it in and boom. Okay, well, we're going to get cut off.
Okay.
All right, I love you. I'll call you tomorrow.
All right, I love you too. Bye-bye.
All right.